This video is sponsored by Beatflare. It's a tool that helps you make your music stand out online on social media. It animates your album covers or other images using sound-reactive visual effects that react to the beat of your music. It is pretty awesome and you can create some cool promo GIFs and videos. It's free to try, so check out the link in the description and start promoting your music in a more effective way. Now let's get back to the video. Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one we are going to go way back and we are going to create some old school dubstep music. And I'm talking about like wobbly bass, Rusko style or something like that. Back at when I started making music, dubstep was pretty popular. I was trying to like make some cool tracks and I failed for the most part, but today I'm gonna get back to those times and try once again. My favorites back then were like MT Eden dubstep or Rusko, people like that, so that's kind of the style I'm going to try to imitate. We'll see how it will turn out. Let's get to it. So, to start off, let's set the BPM to 140, which is what most of dubstep tracks were back then. And yeah, basically, let's start with the drum beat. So I still have a bunch of dubstep packs that I used back then, which were mostly Vengeance. Here we go. So Dubstep Volume 1. This was like the pack to use. So let's see what we can create here. Let's just create a basic rhythm. Is that it? Yeah, that's pretty good. Maybe a different snare. This one's pretty good. Maybe layer them. So, how do you do the hi-hats? I don't really remember. Can't go wrong with the regular ones. Hold on. Right. I actually got an idea here with the... Yeah, let me just reverse it here. Maybe more hi-hats. Let's keep it this way. I already feel the nostalgia. I remember making dubstep tracks all the time. That was kind of my thing when I was starting. And I also remember like Tristan, he had a YouTube channel without the same amount of subscribers as me, but he obviously made it and I didn't, so I was kind of pissed. And back then everybody did the thing where you like type this comment like, yo guys, I'm starting producer, please support my tracks and stuff, and you spam it everywhere. That was the thing back then. It was so annoying, and I did it too though. Anyways, so now that we have the drums, let's get to the fun part, which is the wobble bass. And for the wobble bass, today I would use Serum, but back then everyone used Massive, so I'm gonna go back and use Massive. However, I'm not really sure how to use it anymore. Like, I knew how to use it, but I still do know a little bit. It's gonna take some getting used to, so... How do I use this properly? I'm not sure about this. So far we have a shitty ass sound. Oh, that's shit. Man, Massive is terrible. Or, let's not say that. I'm terrible with Massive. This is so bad. Let's see some of the presets that I have. Dodge and Fusky, oh man, they were good too. Oh shit. Let's just go with this one. And we have to make some melody or something. We have to play around with the speed, but I prefer to just make new instances and change the speed here. So enable the ghost nodes, ghost channels. We'll have even slower, so just like play around. Maybe try using a different sound here. Definitely not that one. Okay, that's it. That's our first melody. And maybe then we go down. Okay, that's it for now. Oh man, it's not great, but it's hard. It's hard to make this good. Okay, let's add some melody or just like a arpeggio or something like that. This is just not working out so far. Let's try to do straight up arpeggio. It's just like that, but maybe slower, maybe not. Old school dubstep wasn't that much different, you know? Like what did people do here? Like you have a wobble bass and that's it. Hold on, maybe this melody and change the bass. Yeah, that could work. Yeah, something like this. So hold on. Wait. What? Okay. And then we go. Okay, I think this melody kind of works. I like that better. Okay, maybe in between those melodies we can have some chord hits. I'm gonna actually make these in Serum because I'm fucking done with Massive. Okay. I just want the most basic chords, which I will find in my sample pack. Check out my sample packs. Link will be in the description, goldclassaudio.com, maybe main so. Yeah, this is it. Just no LFO. So let's do remove this. Oh yeah. Yeah. So do like this. Actually, we do want LFO, but like really slow. How do we do this? Let's see if this will actually work, but let's just delete the low frequencies here completely. I don't think this will work, but maybe. I think it's like not the right way though. Let's just delete the LFO. Maybe longer attack. Yeah, we can actually do it this way, just manually. Like this, yeah. For sure, this could work if we mix it better. Or maybe we'll have just one part where it plays and then one part where it doesn't. Yeah, I'm starting to like this old school dubstep track. Let's see how it sounds now. Now let me merge all these and let's make a new sound, which will be just the sub bass. Let's go back to massive for the old times sake. Let's slap it in here and let's see if we can make a simple wobble sub bass. I should be able to do that. Okay, I think this will work. And then we put this in here. These chords are on number 6. Let's use sign-chaining on the chords and on the bass as well. So let's put the bass on number 7. Route the chords to number 7. And then sign-chain number 7 with the kick. Put a 3D limiter on it. Compressor, sign-chain, insert 1. Bam, bam. Should work. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted, so let's just make these chords more exciting. Oh, that last chord is still not the right one. What am I doing wrong here? Move it this way. Yeah, of course, that's it. That's better. Yeah, I like it so far. One more thing I want to add is an arpeggio here. So, kind of copy the chords. Okay, that's it. Let me actually filter them, just like so. Enable the filter. They're gonna go up. All right, I think we're done here. Wait, let me just do a little fun thing on the beginning where there's some scream, because that's obviously a big part of dubstep. A scream before the drop. So do we have something like that? Let's actually use the, what's the plugin where you can make the text to speech? Speech synthesizer. Speech synthesizer. Where do I find it though? Oh yeah, here we are.
Are you ready?
So, yes. Oh my god.
Yes, oh my god. Yes, oh my god.
Alright, so here we have the epic before the drop vocal. Let me just try one thing. Vocodex. Can we do it more interesting?
Yes, oh my god.
Alright, so here's the finished result. Enjoy.
Yes, oh my god.
And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. This was a lot of fun to make and a really nice trip to the past for me, because I made this type of music all the time back then. And yeah, it's still kind of fun, so I really enjoyed that. And hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as well. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.